OK. We want to explain extrude command in Siemens NX software. Menu, Insert, Design feature and extrude command, or in ribbon bar you can find it. OK. That's very good. First click and run sketch command. Try to select this face as sketch plane. Select it and go to sketch environment. Draw a circle like it and no need to make dimension or relation. OK. Do it and complete. Click Finish Sketch and back to modeling environment. Click and run extrude command. In section, select curve. Click and select the circle. OK. Very good. By default, the profile extruded normal to sketch plane. Change view orientation to see better. OK. In direction area, click reverse direction and see the extrusion. OK. Test it more and try it. In this area by default selected face/plane normal. You can change the direction of extrusion, change it to inferred vector. And select this line that drawn before in other sketch. Now you can see the extrusion direction. Click reverse direction and see more and more. Now back again and change it to face/plane normal. Select sketch plane to do it. OK. That's very good. Test direction of extrusion again. OK. In limits area, in start limits, by default extrusion started from sketch plane. Change the view orientation to see better. OK. Good. Now you can change it. For example, change the distance to 10 mm and press enter button. You can see the start position of extrusion. OK. Back again to 0 value. OK. In end limits, there are many methods. The first is value. Change the distance value by write a desired number. Test it more and more, and do it. Try various numbers and check it out. OK. It's very good. OK. Now click on this arrow in below, and click Draft. Change it to from Start Limit. In Angle box, you can write your desired value by degrees. Also in Graphic area, drag this brown colored arrow and move it to change the draft value. Try it and do it more and more. Again drag and move cyan colored arrow to change the extrusion value. Again test it and check it out. OK. That's very good. Back the draft method to none. OK. Back again to end limits and change its method to symmetric value. Now change the distance or drag the arrow on graphic area to see this situation. OK. It's good. Change end limit to until next. Cancel the symmetric value and select this method. OK. Very good. As you see, the extrusion extended to the next body and its shapes similar to that. It's very useful and important type of extrusion. OK. It's very good. Next end limit is until selected. In select object you must select a planar or non-planar face. For example, select this face. OK. You can see the end limit of extrusion in this new method. Change the view orientation and see more and more. OK. Very good. Next is until extended and the last method is through all. Select through all method and see the end limit of extrusion. OK. See it in various views. It's very good. All these types are in start limit and you can test that. For example, in start limit, change it to until selected, and select this cylindrical face. OK, you can see the start limit of extrusion in new method. OK, again click this arrow in below, in offset area. Make the offset distance to the sketch profile. Single-sided method, two-sided and symmetric. Select single-sided and for example, write 5 mm, change it to 3 mm. And see the changes on sketch profile, change it to two-sided method. You must specify two offset distances, test it yourself, and symmetric method. For example, write 3 mm, OK, see the sketch profile again. Back to none method, in setting area. By default body type is solid, you can change it to sheet and the result body is surface. Change the end limit to value and do it, you can see the extrusion result in sheet body type. OK. It's very good. Back again to solid body type. OK. It's very good. And finally, in Boolean, first change the start limit to through all. And change the end limit to through all again. And change the Boolean type to subtract, and OK the command. You can see the extrusion type that's cut the previous body. Boolean operation commands will explain completely in future video tutorials. OK, very good.